What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Chat here. Thank you for tuning into another video. And today I'm just gonna do one of my daily cryptos. As I know it's not daily, but give me a break, okay? I'm not gonna cover the market every single day if there's nothing going on. But today a little different. We're almost at 160 billion market cap, so some new money has flowed into the cryptocurrency space for the last several days. We were stuck at 156 billion, and now we had an influx of about $3 billion, which isn't much. But let's just go take a look at the market cap just to make sure that this was not the high. Let's go to our 7-day chart here. And yeah, this is the all-time new high right now. So look at that 7-day chart. Let's look at the 1-month chart, see how we are doing in the 1 month. So if we go to 1 month, this is very steady growth. We are clearly in a bull market. It's not going up too fast, so it's not going to correct itself anytime soon. So it is very, it's going pretty nicely right now. And even 3-month looks pretty damn good. But if we take a look at the year, it still looks pretty good. But year to date, it still looks pretty good. Still looks pretty good. But, you know, if you look back here, we had the same kind of pattern that we're having right over here. So we might see little corrections, and you just never know with this space. You never know with this space. So from the last time we had a correction, well, first time we went up to 86 and we fell to about 70, so only lost not too much. So if we do have a correction, I'm not expecting it to be back down here, you know, back in this area. It should stay maybe, I expect to stay over 100 billion comfortably, maybe 120 billion comfortably, and who knows, maybe it's at the end of the year. We're just gonna have an end of year rally like it seems to always happen. We might just continue to go up. We might see 200, like I predicted at one point, 200 to $250 billion market cap. We'll see how that happens. But anyway, Bitcoin is so strong right now. Bitcoin hanging in there, still at $4,300, chilling there. It's not making a move up, you guys. So the more money that comes in, it will go up higher. Ethereum still steadily rising. Look at that graph. It looks nice. Bitcoin Cash, you know, having a little downward spiral because it just, again, what goes up so fast must come down real fast. Ripple. Made a video about Ripple. That's what I'm talking about. Make sure you guys own that Ripple and hold that Ripple. Unless you're a little day trader and you're confident that you can go on the swings, go for it. But otherwise, hold that Ripple, man. Litecoin all-time high, guys. Litecoin's at an all-time high, and I think it's still going to keep on going. Take a look at Dash. You know, correcting a little bit because that run-up was just too fast. NEM staying consistent, steadily going up. IOTA, you know, trying to figure out what it's going to do. As soon as there's new development, new news with IOTA, it's going to hop out of its slum. As soon as there's more activity on GitHub or anything like that, it's going to hop out of this and go even higher. Let's take a look here at Monero. Monero's going to release an app on the 31st. Monero has been like really rising. All these privacy coins are really rising, and just hold on to that Monero, guys. You don't know where this is going to go. You might want to take profits. I mean, if you bought it like $30 like myself, you might want to take some profits here and there. It's up to you. I would hate to see that Monero crash and you lose all them gains. But I don't see that happening. Neo, $37. Neo's staying steady. A lot of people holding on to their Neo after that $50 run up. Let's be honest, guys. That was way too fast. Way too early, way too fast, and look what happened. Ethereum Classic still steady, and I think Ethereum Classic is such a steady coin. It doesn't, for the last several months, it's been between $13 and $15. It's gonna rise one day, you guys. It's gonna rise. You're gonna remember this time when it was in this price range, because at some point in the future, I guarantee it's not gonna be in this price range. H share, huh? Where did this come from, huh? What the hell's H share? I've never even heard of this shit. We'll take a look at that later. I'm gonna have to look that up. Quantum. You know, steadily going up, you guys. Steadily going up. This might be a really good long-term one. I got to do a video on that. Oh my's go, holding strong, guys. It's still steady there. Still steady. Stratus is coming up nicely, which I like. Lisk. Man, I feel so bad for my friend that got hacked. His Lisk, I mean, he bought it less than $2, and it went up to $8, and he was coming home to sell it. He was coming home to trade it, and well, you know the rest of the story if you saw my video yesterday. Zcash still staying strong, still being up and staying strong. Waves is another one I watch out for. Look, Waves has not really gone above $6 for months now. So this price is one of the lowest. It's in the $3 to $5 range. I don't see it going back down to $3 anytime soon. But Waves is another one of those that might have tremendous potential in the future, you guys. It's a great platform. There's only 100 million of the Waves tokens. So if that market cap goes anywhere towards the top 10, you're going to see a very expensive Waves price. It's a platform just like Ethereum's a platform, but not for smart contracts. EOS, EOS is just going to be chilling for a while. It's a long-term hold, guys. It's a long-term hold. I know if you would have sold it, you would have maintained some of your gains. But if you just hold, just be patient. Like Warren Buffett says, the stock market, and I'm going to say the crypto market, is simply about transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So don't sell at a loss. Just have faith if you bought it and believe in the project. 10x still holding in that almost top 20 spot. Still chilling there. Good for 10x. It's not having a ridiculous growth like MONACO right now, but I like the steady 10x-ness. That means there's not a lot of crazy selling going on. BitShares hasn't had no news, hasn't had no nothing. It's just stayed there the same. Along with Steam. Steam don't really go above 160, don't go below 120 anymore. It's just in that mid $1 range. So again, Steam, and again, only 239 million market cap. So Steam, you might see that really jump up in the future. That has tremendous potential as well. Tether, I want to get into Tether right now, unless you think there's a crash coming, but you can never time the market, so you don't know. Bytecoin is still chilling there, not doing much. Made Safe Coin is another project I love, a decentralized internet, super cool. One of the older projects, and it's going up to 61 cents now. I mean, I remember when it was 20 cents. I remember it was 10 cents. So check that out. Augur also going up nicely, and Augur is another one. That I think, and Augur I believe is Augur's what's it called? A prediction market tool, right? So that's a very cool idea, and the 11 million coins. That's it. So that's got tremendous potential as well. I mean, what other coin in the top 10 other than Factum is anywhere close to that? So if those market caps go up significantly, you're seeing a very expensive price in the future. I'm calling it right now. I'm calling it. Factum, a great long-term hold. It's very steadily rising up. This is one of my other long-term holds that I really like. And just look at this steady rise in the last month. We came down to our lows. Actually, I think it went back down to $12, but it's steadily rising. There's a lot of volatility in this rise, but if you just look at it like that, it's going up. So Factum is very bullish right now, and this might be the last time you can get in on Factum. I don't want to spend $31 per Factum, but you don't know. So if you believe in the project and whatnot, kick onto that Factum. Golem is another project that I love. Renting out your unused computer space. Doesn't even have 1 billion coins. So again, that's another cool project that I really think has a future. I really think has a great future. Excuse me. Sia Coin and Stellar Lumens to me are just dead in the water. Haven't heard anything about them lately. I mean, Sia Coin had a little run up here. I just don't see these coins moving anytime, but that's when you got to watch, man, because Sia Coin, it's been stagnant for so long. It's either dead, or it's 2, it's sleeping, and it's going to come back. So I'm holding my Sia. I ain't letting that go, just in case. Byteball, I remember when Byteball was like $800. It's a very tricky one. Very tricky. If you guys want to get into that, that's completely up to you. Basic attention token, waiting for that to come back up, but it really rose back from its lows of like 7 cents. So if you bought back at 7 cents, good for you. Oh my gosh, MONACO is at $22, you guys. Unbelievable, man. Look at that market cap. Look at that. That is unbelievable, you guys. MONACO is making some tremendous gains. Economy, that's an interesting graph. Let's go take a look at Economy here. So let's just take a look at the 1 month. And it is just a little downward trend, unfortunately, especially with the 3 month, because we had such a high run up back to what, $5, almost $5 up here. Yeah, $5. And now it's just, it could hit 157 again, but we'll see where that level of support lies. We will see. I'm going to buy it now. ARK. ARK is just killing it, you guys. It's like 5,000 or 50,000 satoshis now. What is it? What is that? 52,000. Yes, 52,000 satoshis now. I remember when it was 2,000 something, or 20,000 satoshis. I remember when it was 30,000 satoshis, and I thought 40,000 satoshis was quite high, but it's now at 52. So you guys hold on to that ARK. I'm proud of you guys. That's some great stuff. Decred also has had a huge run up. Might want to sell. Looks like some selling action going off here. It hit a high of 40 something dollars, and now it's kind of coming back because it went up real fast. Gnosis is another coin that's just so kind of volatile, and I don't really know too much about it, so maybe I should know about it. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. It's either the market cap has stayed the same and everyone has passed it, or it's just not doing so great. Metal, DigiDAO, whatever, I don't know anything about that. It's $93. I ain't gonna buy that. Metal though, I'm considering buying some metal. I'm considering buying some. Komodo Dragon has gone up significantly. Civic is another good long-term hold. I'd hold on to that Civic. Status has just been going down, you guys. I really like Status as a project, and the price point is great for anyone that wants to make some savage cash. That was my horrible impression of who that is, but Status is having a very kind of bearish trend right now, and it looks like it's going down further. That next level of support is right around where it is now, so we might see a breakout or we might see a tank down. So keep an eye on Status. I think I just said Stratus. Gas, keep burning that gas, guys. Hold on to your Neo. Keep burning that gas. And Pivx, holy shit, Pivx is at $3. Man, I wish I held on to my Pivx. I sold my Pivx a while ago. I was like, man, I could put this in other shit. This shit ain't going anywhere. And look where it is now. So just another lesson, guys, of buy and hodling. I bet you if you hold all your coins for a year, I bet you if you hold all of them, everything is going to make money for you. I honestly think so. Because the more money that comes into the space, and there's a lot more money to come in, you're going to make some profits. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, that's all the coins that I really am interested in. Digibyte, someone's pumping Digibyte right now. It might have hit a bottom. He's calling a bottom. I don't think so. I don't really know. I'm not that confident in it. Many people got burned by Digibyte. Aragon's going up, so Aragon's another cool project, another cool thing I really like. If that market cap goes up, I mean, look at the supply, so make some serious gains. And Ubic is going strong, man. My friend got hacked out of his Ubic as well, which sucks because he bought it so low, and now it's at $2. So that's garbage. District OX, DNT. This is very popular, very, very popular in the crypto space right now. Everyone loves this thing, and it's a very new coin, and we just don't know. We just don't know right now. It's so new. Right now, it kind of pulled back from a real high. But I think the next level, could drop a little further, but the next level of support is going to be around there at the 9 cents area. ADX had a huge run up the other day. Storage, wings. How do ducks fly? They wing it. I know that was horrible. My coworker's son said that joke the other day. And Verge is just, verging along. Back at its old Satoshi price in conjunction with the new Bitcoin price, because I remember at one point it was at that same Satoshi price, but the dollar amount was a lot lower because Bitcoin's value was a lot lower. But now it's lovely, nicely recovered. Unbelievable. So great stuff. NAVcoin, man, look at NAVcoin. It's so depressing. And for me, but for my friend, I mean, he bought NAVcoin literally a couple days ago, and he just doubled his money. But again, he got hacked, you guys. So make sure you secure your account, two-factor authentication. Don't even use your phone. Maybe get a Google number. Anything you can do, guys. Anything you can do. But that's it for the top 100, guys. The market cap is up nicely. The trading volume is still consistently nice, and the Bitcoin dominance steadily going down. So we are seeing more altcoins shoot up. And man, just look at that Bitcoin at 71 billion market cap, you guys, and Ethereum at 32. Quite amazing. But anyway, you guys, that's all I really wanted to talk about. Thank you for listening to my market update. I'll see you guys in the next video, and a peace out. Yeah.